On today's podcast, we'll be covering keeping walkways and exits clear. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
The holiday season increases activity for factories and warehouses with increased deliveries, vacation schedules, and year-end deadlines. Among the rush, it's crucial to prioritize safety by ensuring all walkways and exit routes are clear. A well-organized workplace reduces risks and ensures everyone can work efficiently and safely. Here are a few tips to assist with safety around this subject. Number 1, stay organized during peak times. Keep storage areas and workplaces orderly to prevent items from spilling in the walkways. Establish designated zones for holiday shipments to avoid clutter and maintain clear access to essential paths. Number 2, inspect regularly. Conduct daily walkthroughs to identify and address obstructions in aisles, doorways, or exit routes. Make it part of your routine to catch issues before they become hazards. Number 3, communicate expectations. Remind staff about the importance of clear walkways, especially during high traffic periods. Use signage or team meetings to reinforce policies and encourage accountability. Number 4, use markings to define safe zones. Apply durable floor tape or markings to define walkways, loading zones, or storage areas clearly. This visual guidance helps employees stay aware of boundaries and keeps pathways open. Last but not least, number 5, prepare for emergencies. Test and inspect all emergency exit routes and lighting regularly. Ensure pathways are free of obstacles so employees can evacuate quickly and safely if needed. As always, be sure to follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility. A little proactive effort goes a long way in creating a safer, more efficient work environment, especially during this busy holiday season. Clear walkways not only to protect employees, but also to help your operations stay compliant with safety regulations. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.